welcome to my Vietnam vlog. I'm off to Phuquoc, Vietnam's largest island to the southwest of the mainland. It's also their biggest army base, which is closer to Cambodia's shores than it is to Vietnam's shores. Join me as I explore this little island through its dreamy beaches, basking in the tropical sun. I drive around in the rain. I meet starfishes. I see orangish violetish sunsets between Vietnam and Cambodia. I hike up to a waterfall. I discover an Amalfi-like look-alike city and connect with the pains of the colonial history in the coconut prison. Seems like a lot? That's 60 hours of exploration on a weekend from India. And you know what? It doesn't even require a visa. This, by the way, was a quick jaunt over a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If this trailer interested you, you should enjoy the entire series. Come, join us. So from that Amalfi replica colony, we didn't go on the cable car because we felt we didn't want to spend the whole day on a tour. We just wanted to see the cable car. That's not possible. You have to take the combo package. So we decided we'd pick another part of Phuquoc. Let this bus pass. So from there, we came to this place which I don't know the name, but it's the premier village in Phuquoc. It's at the southernmost end of Phuquoc Island. Apparently, it's a private property, so nobody can get access there. To gain access, you need to pay 500k dongs. Now that's way too expensive. In between, very nice route. We actually saw a path that has steps to go down, but there's no way to reach the steps. A lot of people have parked their vehicles here. There is a step, but there's no way to reach the step.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
So from the hotel that we were, trying to get entry to, we couldn't go there as they said that that particular beach is not open to the public. They said there's another beach which is open to the public, which is free entry. So they asked us to still be in the area, which is the Emerald Residences area. So we went down the hill, and there was this beach. It looks beautiful. So we've just parked our vehicle here, and I think some of these beaches are maintained very well. Apparently also a series of 5-star hotels that are here, and looks like there's a Vietnamese lunch place. I think I'm going to settle here. I'm going to allow Srinidhi to go on from here. I'm just going to sit, relax, chill into the sea, and then maybe get back to the hotel to take my luggage. Paradise. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, let's get into this Vietnamese. I'm looking to see if they have any vegetarian item. So let's see what we get. Hello. Yeah. Wanted to check, do you have any vegetarian item on the menu? As in, you do? Great. Nice view, man. Thanks. Is there air conditioning inside here, or? Okay, this is fine. Do you have a plug point somewhere?
Yeah. Để bạn ấy nói chuyện.
Hi. Plug point?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. These are our plates. Yeah, it's kept like this. We didn't realize these were our plates. That's noodles. Oh, and we have what are these? What do they call it in Japan?
It's Chinese.
Chinese. Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Yeah, I think do the experiment, but we should ask them to come and serve it. That's tough. Oh, that's not too bad. So now it's been a couple of hours at this place. It's called the Draft Beer Phuquoc. That's what the place is called. And the only piece of vegetarian item that we found was some noodles, and we had some French fries. So that's all we gorged on. Srinidhi's had lunch and then taken off. He wanted to basically leave this beautiful beach to go see a couple of pagodas. I somehow couldn't resist the feeling of this beautiful beach. I didn't want to move anywhere. So Srinidhi is a little more active, energetic when it comes to executing plans and seeing destinations. I was slightly more lazier. After having a good lunch, I just thought I'd sit by the beach, admire the blues of the ocean, especially when the sun is out, and of course merging with the greens here. So it's a very nice setting. I didn't want to leave it. So I'm thinking I will get into the sea now. I've been asked to cover up and wear like a shirt, because I think generally in Vietnam they're not used to men being topless. So some strange rule which I think is in line with how the country sees clothes or clothing. So since they requested, I just started to wear my jacket while I'm in the restaurant. The restaurant is of course right next to the beach, so I'm just giving it a couple of more minutes before I head into the sea. And the waves aren't very high here. It looks like a very, very calm sea beach, and that means I don't have to worry about getting drowned. I can act as if I know swimming. So out to the beach. Oh, so it's already close to 4 p.m. The sun is
gone down a bit. It's a little more calmer. It's not as hot as it was some time back. Getting into the sea now. Talk to you in a bit. So this is where the trip ends, at least for the three of us. Abhi is going to stay for 3-4 days more, and yeah, it was a nice trip over a weekend. And now it's time for us to return to the Phuquoc airport and then get back to India later tonight. Hope you also had a great time watching the whole trip vlog. So that's it from us. Tara.
Good place to come on weekend.